Really excited here because we've been looking through our rubbish, and one of the things we throw away the most into recycling, of course, is the Tetra Brick from the soya drink. Okay, so we're going to try making our own. So I've been out this morning with soybeans from the local shop. So we put them in a bag, we're storing them in a jar, and I need 150 grams worth of beans. So I'm going to measure out 150 grams of beans. Now I've got to put them overnight in water. They've got to soak for, oops, just gone a bit over there. They've got to soak for about 12 hours. And then tomorrow we're going to put them in the Thermomix and try filtering it with the Verdance bag to filter it out and make our own milk. We'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. We're back in the lab. Really excited, folks, because we've got the mix here. We've cooked the beans, soybeans, and we've got the mixture. They've been cooked and blended here in the Thermomix. That's really great. So what we have to do now to turn it into the drink is to filter it. So we've got our Verdance bag, which we used yesterday to buy the beans in, of course. So I'm now ready to filter it. So I'm going to put the mixture in here, filter it into the jug, and then we'll have hopefully a litre of nice, fresh and zero waste soy drink. So here we go. This is like the total first time ever we're doing this, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to try not to make a mess here. In the bag it goes. Here we are, in the bag, and putting that whole lot in there. It's starting to wet, and then we've got to just squeeze it through into the milk. So here we go, that's the first bit. And I had to wait for this to cool down a bit, obviously after cooking it. And now we're going to just gently squeeze it through. It's quite hot, this is, but look at that. Absolutely ready to go. Absolutely fabulous. We're going to have there an amazing, totally fresh, totally zero waste